film it already, and you don't have the time to make a video.
Yeah.
So that's always work behind you.
Yeah, well, he
That-
kind of said he's got like 2 gigabytes of, or yeah, two terabytes or something of video he still hasn't posted. And I said to him, like, if you do another video today, you're gonna want to post that. You don't want to go back and post something from 2 years ago.
No.
So you just end up with all this video you're not using, or you haven't used yet. I mean, that's kind of why he said he wasn't having you film this year. He's just got too much. Like,
but to be honest, sometimes you need to push it. Otherwise, your channel is not.
yeah, like I really don't think he's posted the 2025 yet.
No.
Actually, I think one video is like maybe 2 years, and then 2 or 3 different weeks.
Yeah.
For me, Bart, just uploading them the way they are, it takes a hell of a lot of time.
Yeah.
And the Insta360, I hate to say this because I started my camera, but the Insta360 takes 3 times as long, 3 times more than the GoPro. I don't understand why that is.
I don't know.
And I kind of, I mean, I Googled it, and oh my God, the responses were like, there was so many, and in my head I'm thinking, well, why hasn't Insta360 done something about that? Like, so many people mention it.
Yeah? Oh.
Yeah.
I don't know, but
Well, I actually Googled it because I thought I was doing something wrong. So I'm like, you know, why is my Insta360 taking so long to upload? And boom, like millions of responses.
oh yeah?
Yeah. And like the first 2 or 3, like, you're not doing anything wrong. That's just the way it is. But my computer's in my back pocket. How many kilometers have we done, if you don't mind?
Yeah. I stopped the computer as well.
Oh, okay.
So, but I see only the total time. It's like now 1 hour and 18 minutes.
Oh, okay.
So I think it will be around 30 or something more.
Yeah.
Something more.
Whoa. Holy fuck. Oh man.
Yeah.
I thought I was losing my leg, man.
Me too.
I went to snap out, but I couldn't, like, if I had snapped out, it would have been right in front of his mouth.
Yeah. Fuck you. You fucking dog.
I wouldn't have kicked him, but in my opinion,
the camp is not within, but David is in jail for kicking a dog.
yeah. I wasn't gonna kick him, but I went to take my leg out.
Again.
If I had kicked my leg out of the pedal, it would have been right in front of his mouth. So I decided, no, I'm not taking my leg out. But I would never kick a dog, never. I thought it was biting me. I thought it was gonna have lunch. It's Mallorca, it's cycling. That dog should be on a leash.
Yeah?
Don't you think so?
Wait, sorry.
I mean, Mallorca's known for cycling and they're letting their dog run out at cyclists.
Okay.
I want it on the record, I'd never kick a dog. Sorry. Keep thinking you're gonna sprint. Yeah.
with the pump.
Oh. Left.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
You ain't gotcha.
It was like a game to him, eh?
Yeah.
Something tells me he does that all day.
Stopping. Take it straight.
Okay.
Right there.
Okay.
There.
Hey,
Sorry?
if I don't,
Yeah.
my friends know hey is means I can't take my hands off, but there's something wrong. Straight through? Okay.
Then turn left.
Okay.